today, meeting up with Morgan again, and we're gonna do another sunrise hike in kind of the same area of the park, but this time it's gonna be a shorter hike on what is almost definitely a more well-worn trail, and we're gonna give ourselves plenty of time to get there before sunrise and hopefully pick out some kind of nice composition, not be scrambling around to shoot like we were yesterday. Should be a little bit more easy going here. Hopefully can come away with some nice shots. We're just getting going on the trail now. Only got about a mile for this one. Gonna get good shots.
Sure hope so. Okay, it's pretty clear out there actually.
These clouds are about to be wild.
Assimilate is not there.
I'm waiting for you to fall in.
It's not gonna happen. You're gonna want to get this one on video.
What an acrobat.
Oh, you know.
So it's not really totally ideal conditions right now. It definitely kind of wants to be a winter scene here, but obviously snow is a little bit melted out. It was fresh probably like a week ago. Still nice though. Got the composition picked out here with just kind of the snow water line sort of curling around up towards the mountains. You got some nice snow covered logs and rocks in the water. It's pretty simple, but if we get some good color in these faint little clouds up in the sky, should turn out pretty nice.
Wow, that's so low to the water. My tripod is filling up with water.
It's bubbly. The sky back there is any indication of what's to come up there. We are in for some amazing light. Want to show everyone what you're getting here?
There's some really nice ice cracks and a very nice reflection. But the only way to do that is to have the camera in 3 feet deep of water.
That is just cotton candy, right? This is one of like the prettiest scenes I've ever seen. And it's funny, we put in so little effort for this shoot and so much for yesterday's. We came away with so much more today. I think the moral of the story today is that when you put in a lot of effort, you don't get good shots.
When you hike a mile, you get good stuff.
We just hiked a little bit further to another lake, but now we're on our way back down. It's been a pretty awesome morning up here. Morgan is looking for some snow cinnamon rolls.
It's stuck. This is not good. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Back in Utah now. Just drove over here yesterday. finishing up editing the video. Make sure you guys go follow Morgan. Put a link to his Instagram in the description below. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for the final episode of On the Road coming soon.